We are covering amendments in Finance Act 2019 with respect to a topic called buyback of shares, definitely expected in your examinations. 46A, 115QA, 1034A, 115QB, 115QC, 222, 112A. How many sections? 7. You will divide into 8 trees. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We'll start with the first one. Section 46A. 46? This section, be careful sir, please be careful. This section says, if company goes for buyback, company goes for buyback. Who is going for buyback? Company. That is a foreign company. That is a or Indian company, but that Indian company should be listed company. Chalo, once again, who is going for buyback? Listed Indian company or foreign company. Buyback mein what is happening? Shares will be taken back by whom? By company, from shareholders. So who is the seller? Who is the buyer? Seller is the shareholder, buyer is the company. But obvious, no sir? Yes or no? Now the point is, tax treatment, TT बोल तो tax in the company shareholder. Whom should I tax? Shareholder. So there is no tax for company. How can we tax company? What will be the entry in the hands in the books of company? Equity share capital account debit to bank. Bank or cash, whatever. There will be no tax. In the hands of section 46A applies. 46A applies. Number 2, 46A is equals to 214 plus 247. Capital asset plus transfer. This is what? Capital asset. 247 is buyback is a transfer. Think from shareholder's point of view. He is giving back his shares back to company, is a transfer, but provided the company should be a listed company or a foreign company. Next, pro forma of capital gains. Sale amount received on buyback from company. COA will be computed as per section 55, actual cost of the shares. Am I clear? And period of holding, date of allotment to date of buyback is 46A very clear. 46A, once again, when will 46A applies? If the shares are bought back by an Indian listed company or foreign company. In the hands of company, there is absolutely no tax. In the hands of shareholder, capital gain will apply. Under section 46A, sale consideration, amount received on buyback. COA, actual cost as per 55. Period of holding and so on. Whatever it is. Is this clear? Is this clear? I'll tell you what to copy now. Copy that. Copy the heading first. Section numbers also done. Better you start copying horizontally, else it will not come. It's a very big chart. Divide into how many trees? 8 trees. Copy this in the second tree. Start. Done? Sure. Now listen. Which tree was done? Second tree. Now this becomes the third tree. So now this one. This becomes the fourth tree. Okay. So now 115 QA. Read together with me. Buyback of shares by private company, unlisted public company. बोलतो those companies which are not covered here. Those companies which are not covered here. You are writing in this tree. Third one. In that case, we will ask company to pay the tax and not the shareholder. पढ़ो, company shall pay the tax. Stop. लॉजिक समझाता हूं, सुनो. Company issued share for 10 rupees, bought back at 100. Okay. And we fall under this case. Who will pay the tax? Shareholder. What is sale consideration? 100. What is cost? 10. Shareholder will pay tax on 90. यहाँ तक story clear? But if the company falls under this company will pay tax on 90. Their shareholder is paying tax on 90. If it's an Indian listed company or foreign company, here company will pay tax on 90. How do I get 90? Whatever amount I am receiving, or whatever amount company is paying to shareholder minus whatever amount I receive at the time of issue. Think from company's point of view. He paid 100 to shareholder minus 10 what he received. Clear? Apado. Pay tax at the rate of. You have to remember this rate. How did we get that? 20 plus 12% plus 4%. Check in your calculators. %12 is a surcharge, 4% is a cess. On. क्या? On. Come to page 312 of the module 1. You have to copy here to here. In my example, what is the value? 90. How do I get 90? 100 minus 10. What is 100? Amount received ka the amount paid. We are company's point of view we are talking. Amount paid by the company to its shareholders on buyback of shares minus amount received by the company for issue of shares including, if any. I am paying 100, I receive 10, I will pay tax on 90. I बोलता company. If it's a private company, unlisted company. Under which section he will pay the tax? 115 QA at the rate of 23.296%. Clear? Up so now, when should the tax be paid? Within 14 days from the date of buyback. Who is paying? Company. यहाँ तक clear. Now think logically now. Who is paying the tax? Who benefit? Shareholder. How much benefit? 90. He need not pay tax once again. Why he need not pay tax once again? Already company is paying the tax. अब यहाँ देखो पढ़ो. Fourth tree 10. You have to copy this here. क्या लिखते? Buyback of shares by private company, unlisted public company. Amount received on buyback is exempt under section 1034A to shareholders. Am I clear till here? This completes the second tree, third tree, fourth tree. Down you will copy from page 312, point number 3. Those who are watching it online, this is point number 3. Take a photocopy or pause the video. You can copy this one. This you will copy under companies 115 QA tree. This you will copy under 1034A tree. Clear? Chalo, क्या है पढ़ो? Where receives any amount on buyback referred under section. These two. Next, the amount received by the shareholder shall be exempt under section. Why exempt? Because company has already paid the. No capital gain shall be computed in the hands of shareholder. But if you observe carefully, there is a problem here. One more tree we have here. This is the amendment. It says Indian listed company. क्या सर आप पागल है क्या सर? Already we have written that point under section, but add point here up to 4th July 2019. Add this word please. Under 46A3 2019. And here you will add, here you will write, so now on or after 5th July 2019. This was the last amendment Arun Jaitley made nahi. This amendment Sitaraman made. Generally amendments are applicable from which date? April, 1st April. But 2019 mein elections happened and the budget was given after elections. That's the reason July month we have here. Else it would have been April only. In the year of elections, 2 times budget will come. Before elections, after elections. After election mein this amendment was made. So sir, if the buyback happens today's date is 29 July 2020. 2020. Then 46A will not apply and this section will apply because it's an Indian listed company. Buyback is on or after 5th July 2019. Now ये क्या है? First, logic of intention of amendment. क्या? Why did amendment happen? We should know that also. Amendment हुआ ठीक है, but क्या को हुआ? I'll dictate that. The reason behind the amendment. Clear? Stop. First make a change here. ये हो गया. This completes the second tree. This completes third tree, fourth tree. Here this formula you have to copy from 3.1.12 and fourth point number second point and tree number 4. So now same copy, arrow mark down, exempt, again copy point 3 of page number 3.1.12. This will complete second tree, third tree and fourth tree. Amendment is, if the buyback is happening before up to 4th July 2019, 46A will apply. Shareholder will pay the tax. On or after 5/7/19, 115 QA will apply. Company will pay the tax. On Indian listed company, buyback. For private and unlisted public, 115 QA only will apply. Now can I say, sir, this section has no relevance? Relevance hai. If it is a foreign company, this section will still apply, because government says we cannot go to foreign and ask that company to pay the tax. Company is in Uganda, you are a shareholder. I can't call Uganda company, they pay the tax in India. I don't have any other option. I'll ask my Indian shareholder to pay the tax under section 46A. This completes second tree. Third, fourth copy करो चलो. This is third, this is fourth. How many trees है total? If you find this chart somewhere like this, please send the chart to me also. I'll also learn. Buyback. I always tell you I never teach section wise. Check, check, hello, check. What the rate on buyback? I forgot. 23.296%. From the amendment is up to 4th July 2019. Indian listed company goes for buyback. Company will not pay the tax. Shareholder will pay the tax. And if the Indian listed company goes for buyback on or after 5th July 2019, company will pay at 23.296, and for shareholder it is exempt under 1034 capital A. Company shall pay the tax on what? The difference of what they are paying now minus what they actually received at the time of issue. They received 10 rupees at the time of issue, they are paying 100. 100 minus 10, 90. On that they will pay tax at the rate of 23.296%. Shall we continue? How many trees are complete? Second one was 46A. Third one was 115QA. Fourth one was 1034A. I guess fifth, sixth, seven, 8 is remaining and the logic. Now listen the fifth one. So now it's 115QB, 115, सुनो पहले 115QC, 222, 112A. You have to just copy from our module in page numbers. I'll tell you and then I'll explain. QB, come to page 308. Listen now. Those are watching it online, other students are not my student, don't have module. You can take a photocopy or screenshot or pause and copy. This is QB. This is QC. Sun lo, QB. Under 115 QA, who should pay the tax? Company. At what rate? 23.296%. On what value in my example? 90. Within how many days? If I don't pay within 14 days, I have to pay interest at 1% per month or part of the month on 90 rupees. If I don't pay within 14 days, I have to pay 90 rupees definitely plus interest at the rate of 1% per month or part of the month for the delay in the period. That is QB. Next, QC. If you don't pay the tax within 14 days, you are called SSC in default. If you do not pay the tax within the time limit of 14 days, you are called SSC in default. Provisions of section 220 and 221 will apply whenever we use the word SSC in default. Whenever we use the word SSC in default, provisions of section 220, 221 will apply. Clear? Okay. Which tree? Fifth tree, copy this. Sixth tree, copy this. Start. Already shown on the screen also. Sure. Page 308. Module 1 may you will find. My students, other students who are not mine but watching it online, you can copy this. Okay. amendment हुआ sir, that 4th July 5th July date you have to remember. He can definitely ask a question in the examination. On this. Done? Sure. Now, next tree. Heading लिखो. Section 2 subsection 22. 7th tree. Seventh and right here. It has been clarified that buyback is not equal to dividend. Buyback is not equal to, and provisions of DDT will not apply. Provisions of DDT shall not apply in case of buyback. Next, 8th tree, 112A. If you remember 112A, it's a listed equity share sold in stock market. Capital gain up to 1 lakh is exempt. More than 1 lakh, excess of 1 lakh is taxable. At the rate of 10%, no rebate, no reduction, chapter 6A and all that nonsense. But whenever company goes for buyback, it is not routed through stock market. It is routed through an account called escrow account. So right there, generally buyback is not routed through stock market. And STT is not applicable on buyback. STT is not applicable on buyback. As a result, provisions of 112A will not apply in case of buyback. Now we are left with logic. Likho. It was observed that the listed companies were going for buyback of shares instead of paying dividends to shareholders. To avoid DDT, to avoid DDT, as DDT rate was higher than capital gain rates, as DDT rate was higher than capital gain rates. To stop this practice, Nirmala Sitharaman amended 46A and 115 QA. To stop this practice, Nirmala Sitharaman amended 46A and 115 QA. Now listen, एक summary हो जाए. How many sections are there? 7. 46. If a listed Indian company goes for buyback up to 4th July, or a foreign company will not tax the company, will tax the shareholder. 115 QA, Indian private company or unlisted public company or Indian listed company goes for buyback on or after 5th July 19, they have to pay the tax on what they paid, on the difference of what they paid minus what they received, at the rate of 23.296% within 14 days. That amount received by shareholder, benefit received by shareholder is exempt. If the company do not pay the tax within 14 days, they have to pay interest at the rate of 1% per month or part of the month. If they don't pay the tax, they are called SSE in default. Buyback is not called dividend, and DDT also need not apply. And on buyback, provisions of 112A also will not apply. This I am expecting in either November 2020 or May 21 or November 21 examination. Okay, have a look about it.